Meal prep is in session. Meal prep is boring. I don't have enough time. I don't know what to cook. It's boring eating the same thing over and over. Is that you? Because yes, I get it. Meal prep can be all of those things. However, it doesn't have to be. So I'm your girl Ash, and I will help you with this meal prep thing. Hopefully after this, you can get it together and be on your way to success. And if this is your first time meal prepping, yes, it can be overwhelming, but again, it doesn't have to be. So during this video, I will be giving you tips that will definitely help you, especially if you've struggled in the past, because I too have struggled. I'm not gonna lie, I have struggled with meal prep for years, but now your girl have the hang of it, and I'm telling you, it makes life a lot easier. Is literally about setting yourself up for success, and you're probably gonna be like, oh, really? And I'm here to tell you, yes, you take time to prep the meal, but imagine the amount of time you will save during the week. Imagine not having to think about what it is that you have to prepare, cook, or eat during the week. It truly just removes the stress of figuring out what in the world are you going to eat every single day. Not to mention, it saves you from that last minute takeout order. You know, that Deliveroo, that Uber Eats, that DoorDash. You will not be tempted. If you're not prepared and you don't know what to cook and you have to go to the grocery store, or you're feeling tired or lazy, you're gonna just be like, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to get takeout, whether you order it or you go and drive for it. So it takes away that urge to order takeout or eat takeout, because you already have a meal prepped in your fridge, ready to be heated and consumed. Meal prep isn't about being perfect, it's just about being prepared. It's not saying that you can't enjoy an occasional takeout or a spontaneous dinner. You can. You know, it just gives you the freedom and the flexibility to do so. Time, you're gonna need to create time. You don't have to go ahead and prep breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can just start with lunch only and do that for a week and see how that goes. And then the next week, you can say, okay, that was good. I'm gonna stay right here, or I'm gonna prep lunch and dinner for the next week. So you have to baby step into this. Another reason why meal prep sets you up for success is because it helps you with your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to cut, bulk, lose weight, or maintain, it helps make your life a whole lot easier. Not to mention, you get nutritional success as well because you know exactly what it is you're putting in your food. You're in total control of what ingredients you use and your portion sizes. And you can make healthier meals for yourself. How can you beat that? Now, if you get bored eating the same thing, because I sure do get bored eating the same thing, so I don't even prep for the whole week. I prep for half a week and then I meal prep for the next half of the week because I don't want to eat the same thing every single day. So here's what you can do. You can batch cook. Pick your source of protein, whether it's chicken, beef, pork, beans, lentils, chickpeas. Then you need to pick your carbs, whether it be sweet potatoes, rice, pasta, zucchini, squash, quinoa. So you get your protein, then you have your carbs, and next you need some vegetable. You can't forget the veggies. Like you just can't. Don't do that. So you can choose broccoli, cauliflower, eggplant, mushrooms, a salad. There are many vegetables that you can choose from, and you can cook two. So you're gonna prepare 2 protein sources, 2 carb sources, 2 veggie sources, and then you know what? You can mix and match it up during the week. Now, if you're still trying to figure out if meal prep is worth it, let me help you out a bit. It gives you control over your time, over your health, your energy. When your meals are ready, it's one less thing to think about, and you get more room to focus on your goals. Now, how isn't that worth it? For me, it helps me reduce stress, save money, and help me stick to eating real food. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Draw some of your favorite go-to meals in the comment section. Don't forget to share this with a couple of your friends. And until next time, stay consistent. Your girl Ash will see you in the next video.